Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to change your YouTube channel name or phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here. Like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for Google. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google account right here. Then it's take you right here. Click on Google account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for Google search account. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down. Continue to scroll down to name right here. So click on name. So it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to change your name. So from this point here, enter your first name, your surname, and once you enter your name your surname, then come down below here and click on save. And with that, the name on your YouTube channel will automatically change to the one you set on Google account right here. This is because Google account is also linked to your YouTube channel. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your YouTube channel name on your phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.